So I'm going to lock the exposure and the focus. Yes, now I pointed it down so it's darker. I'm going to unlock the exposure and focus. It's automatically adjusting it. Now lock it back. And now the sky should be too bright. Unlock it, it should get darker. Yes, it's darker. It's darker here and brighter there. Lock it here. Now this remains bright. So it's identical up and down. Now unlock it. It's darker a little bit. Lock it back. And now it's dark here also. So it's identically dark up and down. Okay, and let's unlock it. Now it's automatically adjusting itself to the darker position, to the brighter one. Automatic exposure lock and focus lock. Nikon P1000. Lock. It's locked. Unlock. Lock back. And it's bright here. Unlock.